The Air Jordan 4 Retro Bred is set for a major return in holiday 2026, bringing back one of the most iconic colorways ever worn by Michael Jordan. This release is creating huge buzz because it's expected to feature proportions and shaping closer to the original 1989 pair, offering fans a more authentic, heritage-inspired look. Using premium black nubuck, classic cement gray wings, and bold fire red accents, the 2026 version blends the legendary street style of past Bred releases with subtle upgrades meant to honor the OG. Its layered midsole, visible air unit, and 3D outsole traction keep the classic energy alive, while the Nike Air heel branding brings back that nostalgic finish collectors love. Following past releases in 1999, 2008, 2012, 2019, and 2024's Bred Reimagined, this upcoming drop is expected to stand out as one of the closest restorations yet.